Okay guys, what the hell is up with this? Oh, come on, look at the snowbank out here. Jesus. This is messed up. Today, March 5th, 2011. What I was going to do today, go for a motorcycle ride. I'll try to beat my record last year. I went out on the 6th for a bike ride. Well, that looks like it's not